Is there a TikTok shop for Milwaukee tools? Currently, there isn't an official TikTok shop specifically run by Milwaukee Tools. The brand primarily sells through authorized retailers, distributors, and well-established e-commerce platforms. However, TikTok Shop is expanding rapidly, and many verified resellers list Milwaukee products there, offering items like power drills, toolkits, and accessories directly through TikTok's integrated shopping feature. These listings often appear through trusted sellers who use TikTok Shop to promote genuine Milwaukee products via short-form videos and live demonstrations. This marketing approach allows buyers to see the tools in action, compare features, and make informed purchases, all within the app. If you plan to buy Milwaukee tools from TikTok Shop, always ensure the seller is verified and the products are authentic. Many professional e-commerce sellers use Helium-10 to analyze trends, track product demand, and verify competitive pricing before listing similar items on TikTok Shop, ensuring buyers get high-quality and reliable tools. You can start using Helium-10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your TikTok shop like a pro.